garbage. Hello. Apparently, Twitch Inspector is saying I'm not live.
Why?
But I must be live, because you're all here. You're all here, saying hello to me. So, we must be live. You can hear me, you can see me, but can you feel me? I hope not, because that means you're definitely too close to your screen. I am not live. Okay, that's good. So we're just offline chatting then, that's good. That's fantastic. Finite, it's great that you're here, because I have taken the liberty of writing your name on the most awkward spot of the mask of subscription. Because it's probably what you would have wanted. Don't worry, it's not a plugin question. It's not a plugin question. Because that's the joke is, oh, since you're here, could I ask you a question about your plugin?
So what I think I would prefer about this is it looks like they've actually got like flowcharts, wireframing stuff. Like we have some structure, right? That we can,
what is this?
We can put things in. Does anyone know what the one that I've seen that I really liked that looked really awesome?
What is this?
Was oh, why am I'm
stop the clip. What was this about?
Why?
Yes, why? Why? And why am I so enhanced? Oh my gosh. Notepass, hello. Welcome to the stream. Rugmat, hello. Welcome to the stream. Roy Leezy, hello. Welcome to the stream. Steffi, welcome to the stream. I don't know. I'm really enhanced right now, and it's a little bit disconcerting. It's great to see all of you again. After a week, yet again, I did not manage to do a Friday stream. I know. I did not manage to do a Friday stream. I had severe dry throat and was coughing uncontrollably. And that would not have been an enjoyable experience for you, because my track record with muting coughs is like 90%. So you would have gotten 10% of the coughs. And if you do 1,000 coughs per minute, then you would have gotten 100 coughs. And that's too many coughs, chat. It's too many. This is the real stream. It is. You are currently watching the live stream. You are. I believe. We were told that it's live, so it must be live. Hi, Jay Walter. How are you today? We're going to be doing something. Is there a category for that, or is it just Doom? Yeah, just change it. Change to the Doom category, and when someone asks you what you're doing, say, I'm doing my taxes. Need a new shirt that says taxes are hard. Yeah, I'll reach out to Evan and Caitlin, see if they can do a taxes are hard shirt. What other stuff do we need? Taxes stream. Can you imagine me doing my taxes on Twitch? That would be pretty. Although, as a good reminder, I do need to do my taxes. Yeah, should probably do my taxes. Glad to hear you're all doing well. Very good to hear from all of you. That is one giant bottle of water. Yes! Steffi, have you not seen the new gigantic 2.2 liter bottle of water? And yes, you can call the color what it is. It's penis pink. But you know what? I don't care, because it is amazing. It's perfect for streamers. Chug indeed. That's why I don't need any of these weird, you know, like I don't need any of these redeems for like hydrate or whatever. Hydrate or dihydrate or whatever. I don't need those because I have a 2.2 liter water bottle. And I don't need to hydrate every break because I keep hydrating all the time. 100% hydration streams. Hi, Forex. Thanks for the info. So today's project is cloning your voice and generating it. No. That's no.
What is this?
No.
It's Microsoft Excel.
You get to choose, chat. You get to choose today. It means you get to choose between two options, A or B. It doesn't mean that you get to choose whatever we do. That is not how it works, okay? You get to choose between two options. You need an Excel sheet to keep track of your water intake.
Garbage.
There are bottles that have trackers in them. Maybe I could put a tracker on the bottle. It's just not important. That's the thing. It's just not important to me. Today we are trolling you while you try to work on something. We will get to the options real easy. I will announce the options. We're just warming up. It's just the beginning of the stream. We gotta say hello. We gotta welcome everyone in. We gotta get trolled. We gotta have memes. That is the beginning of the stream. No IoT. IoT is forbidden. Why is IoT forbidden, Notepass? Tell me. Tell me more. But yes, somebody used the today command already, so you can get a sneak peek at what the options will be. How was everybody's weekend? I played a campaign of D&D on the weekend. I have continued, I should say. It's a campaign we've been playing for almost 3 years. 3 years with some good friends, and we ventured ever further into our story, and it was a lot of fun. Program a website in SQL? That sounds interesting. Yes, it does, doesn't it? Have you seen the state of IoT? So Notepass, I'm not super up to date on what's going on in IoT at the moment. So if you have like a good link or digest to something that's happening at the moment, feel free, of course, to share with the audience, share with the class, as you will. Because, you know, if you share, sharing is caring, right? Sharing is indeed caring. So if you want to share with the rest of us, we could put it up on the board here. You know, we could say like, okay, today's class is about IoT, which stands for in other
Garbage.
terms. That is what IoT stands for. No, I don't think that's what IoT stands for, right? I don't think that's what IoT stands for. Does it? What is the actual definition of IoT? IoT. Internet of Things. I think that's the real definition. Yes, that's right. It was an Internet of Things. It was, Eagle. It was indeed. Do you have any torrents? Sharing is caring. In general, the S in IoT stands for security. Okay. So when you write IoT, you also write it with an S. So like here, on the end. IoTs. Internet of Things. You could put a little bracket around that. Anyway. What does this even do? I've discovered something, chat. Oh. Those are the wrong... I had 2 rules on my stream deck and they didn't do anything. Anyway, Have you not seen the new gigantic 2.2 liter bottle of water? And yes, you can call the color what it is. It's penis pink. Hashtag not sponsored by whoever this brand is on the side. It's light enough that you don't see it, which is kind of the point. So anyway, of course we're talking about torrents with Linux distributions. Absolutely. We're just distributing Linux on this stream. We would never distribute illegal files or movies or anything like that on this stream. We wouldn't do that. Peanut pink, new color unlocked. Peanut pink, love it. Putting a PP pink near your face doesn't sound like a good idea. Sorry, I just came in. All I heard was giant penis. Welcome back, Ginny. It's very good to have you on the stream. Peanut pink sounds like an interesting color. Let's put it that way. There's no security in IoT. That's right. It's IOST, because the S is small, right? We went over this. So, the context, Ginny, is that the color of this bottle is, by some would call this bottle a particular color. That is the context of that statement. Everything makes sense, right? Exactly. Everything makes sense. So what also makes sense is that it's Monday, and Monday is my streaming day, one of my 3 streaming days. That's right. This week we will have 3 streams planned. So we'll have Monday, today's stream, data stuff. Thursday, data stuff, tech stuff. And then on Friday, we will finally have an episode of the Data Cafe, which we have not had for, I believe, a month, seeing as the last episode was before I went on vacation. So there's lots to cover, lots of very interesting things. As always, if you have something you want to share with the class, then please join our Discord, DM it to me on Discord, send it to me on LinkedIn, whatever. Just shoot it my way. If you think it is data and tech news relevant, then always happy to talk about it on stream. Does someone want any gum? NotePass is offering gum to the class. Does anyone want gum? Chat would probably call that bottle a little phallic shaped, and then the color. I don't think this bottle is phallic shaped at all. Literally 0. IoT UT, Internet of Totally Unsecure Things. Yeah, actually that makes sense. Yeah. Oh, Ginny, you do work in IoT. Interesting. So there you go. So we were talking about, NotePass mentioned I could put a tracker on my water bottle to track how much water I drink. And I said, I don't need to track it if it's not relevant. Like, what am I going to do? I already know that if I drink a whole bottle, I've drank 2.2 drunk. I've drunk 2.2 liters of water, and that's sufficient information for me. And I can count to 3, so I don't need a spreadsheet.
What is this? It's Microsoft Excel.
Okay, you said spreadsheet. You said spreadsheet. Fine. I may have escalated it a little bit. But doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. For all of you that are here, if you would like to do me a gigantic favor that doesn't cost you any money except internet bandwidth, then I would love if you would go over to YouTube,
like and subscribe. Bye.
And click my live stream and leave it open during this entire live stream. Because what that will do is it will help me achieve higher watch time, and then I will get closer to the YouTube Partner Program, which is a goal that I'm trying to achieve this year. I don't know if I will make it this year, but, you know. What view is horrible? Ginny? What are you talking about? Oh no. People writing garbage in my YouTube chat. How dare you write garbage in my YouTube chat?
Garbage.
What is this? It's Microsoft Excel.
Anyway, so chat, I trust you had a good weekend. And thank you very much to all of you doing that. And if for those of you subscribing as well, I appreciate that very much. It is like up until that 1,000 subscriber mark, it is really just hard work to get there. I'm doing my best. It's like from one of those kids that doesn't understand landscape mode fits better on a PC screen than portrait mode. So here's the thing, okay? If you're watching this on YouTube, it's in portrait mode. The reason it's in portrait mode is because I am vertical streaming using a vertical plugin. And the reason it's in portrait mode is because I already have a horizontal stream that I put on YouTube afterwards. So you get to watch a vertical version. If you're on a mobile device, you can watch it on YouTube and it will fit your screen exactly. But if you don't like that, you can watch on Twitch in the horizontal version. So I'm catering to all of the audiences. It is literally perfect. It's literally perfect. Can't say anything better. He's doing vertical because he wants to go and upload it on Shorts. Well, I need the watch time requirement. And streaming on YouTube is the fastest way to get watch time, other than having a well-performing video, which I don't have. So, does the Internet of Things aim to adapt to user behavior, or is it solely up to the user to configure it? Eagle, I do not understand that question whatsoever. Wait, I need to read this again. Does the Internet of Things aim to adapt to user behavior, or is it solely up to the user to configure it? I'm very confused about this question. The Internet of Things. The Internet is a thing in itself. Configurable Internet of Things. I'm just trying to work out how that would work. Maybe. I don't know. Getting a little bit off track here, chat. Anyway, so it's the beginning of the stream. What do we do? What do we do, chat? How do we start the stream? 20 minutes in. The ads have run. We have 40 minutes of ad-free time available to us. Not all the effects are on YouTube, so sometimes it's fun to see what I don't see on Twitch. Yes, that's very true. YouTube does have, so the YouTube stream does have a few things that are not suitable for the vertical format. Like if I draw on my face, right now, you're seeing this on Twitch, but you're not seeing it on YouTube. The reason for that is very simple, is that there isn't enough horizontal space to draw. And I can't flip the drawing vertically, because that doesn't make sense either. And I can't make it smaller, because then it becomes too small for that screen. So yeah, depends on kind of what you're looking for. But basically, the beginning of the stream, every week, every day, every time we stream is the same. The beginning of the stream, we have to do one thing first, and that is to talk about the meme of the day. And today's meme of the day is an old meme that I dug up from the archives. And I will happily present it to you, chat. Today's meme of the day, !MOTD in chat. If you would like the link to the meme to share with your friends. The senior developer says, just read the documentation. And this is the documentation. And we all know 3 holes don't fit in 4 holes. If you've ever tried to build Lego this way. I want to see the puppy. Finite, what puppy are you talking about? We don't have a puppy, so I don't know what do you mean? What do you mean? Behind the browser window. Okay. Here's the dog. Is that what you wanted to see? No! Get off! That was a troll. That was... Someone was just waiting to change it to a clown background. Again, because you know I don't like clowns. It's always the same with you, chat. I move the browser window. I ask you if you put clowns there. And then you say no. And then I move the browser window. Oh, there's a cat. Oh, there we go. That's all. It's all good now, chat. There we go. The good thing is I don't have to look at it here. It's like over off to the side. So if I see clowns, then I can just like not look there. That's fine. So anyway. Oh, what have I done? What did I do? No. Nope. See? I knew that was a clown. I knew that one was a clown. Ooh, that's cool. Very cool backgrounds, chat. So if you're wondering how I'm doing that, how I'm able to move my window over a dynamic background, then stick around and maybe you can ask and I'll let you know. But yeah, if you do want to know anything, you can always use !Q to ask your question. And I will bring your question up on stream and talk about it, answer it, hopefully. So, Hijack the Engineer, hello, welcome back to the stream. So, senior developers just say to read the documentation, and as we all know, the documentation looks like this, so I don't write very good documentation. Then, everybody reminds themselves that they can drop in the stream. Everyone tries to drop a clown. What's going on here? What is this? What prompt is this? Who did this? Is that a clown? I don't even know. How weird. Anyway, chat, so today is special. You cannot drop on YouTube, by the way. You can only drop on Twitch. Today is a special day because I have two things. I have two things that we could do together. And I don't know what is better for you. So, like the really good person I am, I saw the drop pool, finite, thank you. Like the good streamer that I am, I'm going to let chat decide. I'm going to let chat decide. You will have the option to choose between two topics for today's stream. A and B. Question. Answer to the ultimate question of life, universe, and everything. The answer to the question of ultimate life, universe, and everything is yes. That's the answer. Yes. Aliens. So we have option A and B. You will be able to vote in a poll. The poll will be only on Twitch. I'm very sorry. I don't know if YouTube has live polls. But for now, we're just going to stick with a poll on Twitch. Option A. Option A. So here's the explanation of both options. Option A is I will show you from start to finish my YouTube Shorts process, how the Shorts have been doing so far, and we're going to edit Shorts live. I already have some Shorts from previous streams that I would like to edit, and we could edit them live. Now, I've never really done I've never done video editing live on stream before, so that's kind of a new thing. Option B is I could program an entire website in SQL. I'm not even joking. We can program an entire website in SQL. So voting in chat is fine, but that's only if you're on YouTube. If you're on Twitch, we're going to activate a poll. A, YouTube short process from A to Z, including editing some shorts. And B is a SQL website from A to Z. Yes, exactly. Now, I know that chat will have bias. I know chat will have bias. Some people will want me to do B and then only use right joins or something ridiculous like this. I would say that's fair. That's fair game. We could introduce like a challenge level or something. So we're gonna run the poll. Poll. Manage a poll. New poll. B sounds interesting. Div class button on click, handle click. Question. Today's stream topic. A. YouTube Shorts. The Shorts process A to Z, including... Oh, I can't do any more than that. Character limit. I will let the poll run for 5 minutes, by the way, so you'll have time to vote. YouTube Shorts process from A to Z. Coding a website in SQL. Here we go. So the poll is live. The poll is live for 5 minutes. The question is this: given that God is infinite and the universe is also infinite, would you like a toasted tea cake? What are these questions, Forex? What kind of questions are these? Also, my camera is slightly off center. Hold on. It's better. I would love a tea cake. Yeah, absolutely. I love tea cakes. So if you do not see the voting option in chat, then you might have to refresh the stream. Now, as you all know, you cannot have a website in 100% SQL. You do need a front end, but I will be generating the front end through SQL. Yes. The shorts process is pretty exciting if you're a content creator or someone generally interested in how content creation works, or my content, and you want to see things from behind the scene or whatever, then A is also very interesting. So that's also an option. You want to change your vote? Too late, Ginny. Too late. Thank you for all the hearts on YouTube. I appreciate you clicking the heart buttons. Free Funware, thank you very much for the follow. Welcome in from Self-Dev Discord. If that's the right person. Most probably, because otherwise it would be very strange that someone else has that Twitch username. Let's put it that way. He said entire website. Yes, I did say entire website. Div class button on click, handle click. I do not know how to do that in... I literally don't know how to do that in SQL, but I guess we'll find out. Also, free Funware. Hi! Welcome to the stream. It is your first time chatting in this stream. So, I welcome you with a gigantic sign that blinks hi. And I dropped the basket. But not to fear, it's a tiny basket. It is indeed. It's your first time here, but that's cool. Free Funware. How was your weekend? How are you today? I always wanted to know how those hearts look for the streamer. Well, I can show you. If you want. I can show you. This is what it looks like. So if you're on YouTube right now, this is what it looks like. If you click the heart, then it just spams them in chat, basically.
Garbage.
I think it's pretty cool. I like it. I wish Twitch had a little thing like that for chat. I don't know. I think it would be nice. I would like that. So far it is 7 votes to 2. 7 votes to 2 for coding a website in SQL which is terrifying because I haven't done any preparation for either of those things. Similar to Instagram Live. Yeah, I think so, yeah. I think so. Your weekend was pure chaos, but fun chaos. Wow, what is fun chaos? My weekend was a lot of fun. I played D&D. I did not... Finite, I didn't ignore your burrito question. Okay. Did you see my crazy burrito experience? Finite, I did not see your crazy burrito experience. But do you have a video clip that we can play on stream? Because while we're waiting for the vote to end, although it is very clear, you have a tweet. Oh, that's also good. Link to the tweet, Finite.
I would go back there and using the things, using the bandsaw. Oh boy, this can go either way. Oh, he's drinking the coffee.
But you need to read what I retweeted before you read the quote tweet. Yeah, what is a tweet? Isn't
there
it
you
X?
go. Surly Dev, the like 2/3 shrug with the not disgusted look on the face is about as good as it gets with disappointed
Seat?
dads. So, there was a little nod there.
We have a winner. We have a winner, chat. Coding a website in SQL. Today's topic is going to be coding a website in SQL. Exceed? Exceed sounds like... No, I'm not going to say it. It just sounds... sounds dirty. It just sounds dirty. Well, anyway, fine, I do send the link over, and then I will have a look. Sounds like a new Kia car model. Yes, Steffi, it sounds like that. If you mistype it. It sounds exactly like that. Cool background. Is that pizza? Nice. That's classic American pepperoni pizza. So, Finite has said, on my walk to... Oh, wait, sorry. I need to read... Hold on a second. I need to read what I retweeted before you read the quote. Okay. On my walk today, no sign of street burrito. Assuming it made its way into the woods and is getting along with the native wildlife. Godspeed, brave little burrito. Godspeed. Okay. Yesterday on my daily walk, I saw the strangest sight on the road. A shell of tinfoil, followed by a Chipotle Tweets bag, then a perfectly intact burrito. Just sitting there on the road shoulder. What happened, little burrito? And how did you not explode without your foil shell? Wow. Honestly, Salma's tweet is underrated. Rest in peace. Oh, rest in peace. So, the vote has been cast. Chat has decided. Option B, it is. B. Coding a website entirely in SQL. Alright, chat. You ask, and you shall receive. However, none of you can complain afterwards that you don't like what's happening. Okay? You can't complain afterwards because this is what you voted for. So here we go. I'm gonna go get my notes. I can't believe we're doing this, chat. Oh boy. Here we go. I can complain. I voted A. Okay, the two people that voted for A can complain, but then you will out yourselves as having voted for A. I was only given two options. I complained that the option I wanted wasn't on the list. Rugmat, what was the option that you wanted? As a long-standing and valued member of the community, your opinion is very important to me. Please hold. I'm joking. Yeah, what was the option that you wanted then, Rugmat? What option did I not present to you? Because there are limited options available, you know? That's the whole point. It's a Monday evening. I have to go to work tomorrow. I have to go to the office tomorrow. I don't have infinite time available to me. I do not have infinite skills, unfortunately. So, you know, I can't do everything. It's just the way it is. Well, okay, I suppose if we are writing it in SQL, then there should be a few right joins. Well, I guess we will find out. SQL page. Open source, low-code web application server. Create full websites writing only simple database queries. And yes, I was sent this by valued member of the community, Steffi. Easy, beautiful, and fast. SQL Page transforms your SQL queries into stunning websites. It is a tool that allows you to build websites using nothing more than SQL queries. You write simple text files containing SQL queries. SQL Page runs them on your database and renders the results as a website. You can display the information you select from your database in lists, tables, cards, and other user interface widgets, but you can also insert, update, and delete data from your database using SQL Page, and build a full web app with create, read, update, and delete functionality. Honestly, kind of genius, but also I'm a little bit concerned. So, at the core of SQL Page is a rich library of components. These components are built using traditional web technologies, but you never have to edit them if you don't want to. You can build entire web applications just by combining components that come bundled with SQL Page. Wait, web pages translated from SQL? I feel like this was a bet that someone lost. Maybe. Maybe. Well, let's get started. We have to download something. SQL Page. Ooh, on macOS with Homebrew. An alternative for macOS users is to use SQL Page's Homebrew package. That sounds like a great idea. Let's use SQL Page's Homebrew package. Also, I'm doxing my secret method of green screening here. Okay. Brew install SQL Page. I guess there's no danger of having dually named packages. Oh no. Is it going to update all of my packages? No. Okay. It's already installed, apparently. Is it already installed? I do feel like we need to do a Git repository for this. How do you feel about that, chat? Do we need to do that? Configuration. You can run SQL Page as serverless. Wow. Okay. Examples. The SQL source code for the project's official site. Wait, their entire website is also in SQL? This entire website was written in SQL? That's cool. That's very cool. Okay. That's really cool. It's really SQL. They're not lying. It's actually SQL. I bet on Crystal Palace to win the Premier League last year. I lost. Since I lost the bet, my penalty was I had to build a web framework that is able to build web pages from SQL code. That sounds highly believable. Get started. Okay, download SQL page. Build your website locally. Create a folder on your computer where you will store all contents related to your SQL website. In the rest of this tutorial, we will call this folder the root folder of your website. All right, so let's make a website. What should this website be about, chat? This is the real question. I'm making a website, but what's it going to be about? I have an idea, but I don't know if you will agree with me, chat. I don't know if you're gonna like this, chat. I will add a readme. Oh. I will do this only one time, chat. Write your portfolio in SQL. Oh no. What? How? How do you even do that? What do you mean by portfolio? Like my data analysis portfolio? I'm trying to imagine a scenario where someone would have the ability to build a code base like that and also place a bet on a sports game as mundane and boring as football. Yeah. I agree with you on that, Ginny. So my idea, chat, I don't know if you're going to agree with this, is I would like to make a website entirely in SQL where it is literally a website about why I don't like right joins. Oh, my website. Oh, like translate Matty Two Shoes. Oh, okay. So like build this, but in SQL. That's an interesting idea. I think it's almost too niche. It's almost too niche to do it. rightjoinforthewin.com. No, literally the opposite. It would be left join. You have to do it as a... Oh, satire. Okay. A satirical website entirely written in SQL using the SQL page framework. Okay. All right. I am on board with this idea, chat. Congratulations. Your project is born. Wonderful. Absolutely amazing. Oh, this is the wrong thing. Git checkout. No, sorry, it's git clone. Git clone. All right. File, open folder. I do like my my repository names. Naked and Afraid. Just sounds fun. Right join for the win. A satirical website entirely written in SQL using the SQL page framework. That's already a great readme, let's be honest. Okay. So I don't need to branch this because we're just going to do everything on the main branch. Let's split this out a little bit. Code over here. Don't think we need the terminal anymore. Building your website locally. Once you open the file you downloaded above and place sqlpage.bin at the root of the folder. sqlpage.bin. Then launch the executable file you just downloaded in a terminal from this folder. What? That's not homebrew. Okay, hold on a second. Download the latest SQL page for your operating system. Wait, I did homebrew. So how does... I don't understand. Try SQL Page Cloud. you can even host it on their server. I wonder if we can host it on GitHub Pages. Does anyone think that's possible? That would be pretty cool. I wonder if that's possible. An alternative for Mac is to use SQL Homebrew package. Install Homebrew in a terminal, run the following commands. Brew install SQL page. Yeah. The generated version. Yeah, but I'm just wondering. Brew install SQL page. But I don't understand something. 30-day installs 120? Wow. That's more than I expected. Then launch the SQL page bin. You should see a message in your terminal that includes the sentence starting server on 00.8080. Well, this is not going to be here yet because I haven't run anything. So it starts a web server in the background. How do you run a brew package? Like when you have it installed? That's what I don't get. Well, how does that work? Like if I have something installed with Homebrew, SQL page. Ah! Doesn't it add a command to your path? It does. You're right. No database URL provided. The current directory is writable. Creating SQLpage.db. Connecting to database. SQLite SQL page, blah, blah, blah. Starting server. You can write your website's code in SQL files. Oh, SQL page is now running. So it is... Yes. I have a website running on my machine written entirely in SQL so far. That's very exciting. Okay, so if you can see... Oh, I should update my stream title. I don't normally do this, but I don't normally do this, but I'm gonna do coding a website in SQL. Hi, Aaron. Aren't websites just databases? Would you like to download some malware? More like spyware. This is great. I love this. You can customize your server's configuration by creating a file called sqlpage.json. That's right, sqlpage.json. We will probably need that as well. Alternatively, you can create a table called SQL page files in your database with the following columns. No, I don't want to do that. Can you update the YouTube one too? Tisk tisk.
What's that?
Yes.
Oh, failure.
Fine. Fine. Of course I can. Of course I can. There you go. Oh, wow. We have 3 concurrent viewers on YouTube? Damn. That's amazing. Okay. So, I'm not creating a table yet. What's interesting though is that there is a database somewhere. It's created a database in the background, which is so interesting to me, that there's now a database running locally on my machine. Okay, so that's running. So it means in the root of your SQL page website, create a new SQL file called index.sql. This is so messed up. This is so messed up, chat. Index.sql. As if I had index.html, but it's actually SQL on the ending. Thank you, Aaron, for joining the YouTube stream as well and commenting for the algorithm. As an example, let's start with a simple list of popular websites. Okay. Select list as component, popular websites as title. Select hello world as description, and then twitch.tv/Maddie2shoes as link. Okay. The first line of the file defines the component, and then you use a list component to display a list of items. Second line defines the data that will populate the component. Okay. This is so cool. I can't believe how cool this is, chat. I have a lot of questions about styling, though. Okay. Okay, so these are all the components. Sets a cookie. A button that lets the user download a CSV. Data grid, debug, dynamic form, hero, JSON, list, vertical list of items. Wow. So, okay, this really is a SQL-based website. Very, very cool. Okay, so fine. Now I have the components. What about styling? What about styling? How can I look? Functions. Here we go. It supports functions. SQL page header function. Reads a header with the given name from the request. Wow, that's really cool. You can read HTTP headers through SQL. That's so cool. Okay. Documentation. Where are the stylings? Where's all the CSS coming from? The database schema can be defined using SQL script located in SQL page migrations. Each script create table users, connect to a custom database. Dynamic SQL queries to let users interact with your database. Ooh. Handling form submission. Yes, I will let you fill out a form, chat. How about that? Your first SQL page is ready. Deploy online. VPS? No. Once your SQL page websites are on the server, you can run SQL page just like you did on your local computer. Download the SQL page for Linux binary and upload it to your server. So there's no CSS styling. So we could not make it look like my website, even if we wanted to. It's going to look like this website. But I don't know. How did they get this stuff? How did they get this image here, for example? Like this icon. How did they get this icon? This SVG. How did they do that? We go to the documentation and we go to components and we say, oh, here. Display a large title and description with an optional large illustrative image. Image, the URL of an image to display next to the... Oh, so it just supports native images. Okay. Well, I already did what we set out to do. I have a website, but made in SQL. So that's the end of the stream, I guess. Does that satisfy you, chat? Are you happy knowing that this is possible? It's good enough for me. End of stream. No, I'm kidding. We are going to take a short break, and I will be back in a minute, and we're actually going to make the website. We're actually going to make the website we set out to. Hello, Fubar Kicks, if I pronounced that correctly. I think the worst part is it looks faster and more straightforward than some more traditional methods. Probably right about that, Ginny. Maybe making a website in SQL is actually faster than doing it in the newest, latest, and greatest blazing fast JavaScript frameworks. Who knows? Let's find out after the break. So see you all in a few minutes, chat, and enjoy the ads. Maybe. Or, you know, watch on YouTube, you don't see any ads. Just saying. Oh, they're cuddling together, chat. Yes. Good bunnies. Very good bunnies. Cuddling together. They're just doing that for the stream, you know. And Panther stole my stream title. So you should be clipping this, because actually the truth is I didn't steal White Panther's stream title. I set the stream title way earlier today, and Panther stole it from me. And you can check in this, and you can check in the stream API if you want to confirm with that. But I set my stream title before Panther went live. So who's the real title thief? Who's the real title thief? Right join is the best join. Thank you for the raid. I appreciate it. Okay. We now have more unit measurements, 2 large ones and 2 small ones. We have a Rona, which is 27 zeros after the first digit, and a Quetta, which is 30 zeros at the top of the measurement range. What's ironic is that Quetta is still not enough zeros to describe how much your mom weighs. I'm sorry, I just had to. It was too good, chat. I'm very sorry. Ordered the
test results are in. Let's print them out. Yep, chat is full of trolls.
Thanks, Surly, for printing that out for us. Very kind of you. So this is kind of interesting. So the man who has not been named was selected from within the ranks of the force. So he was already a police officer. When it's convenient, when it's not, I still live at home. Can you do that one more time?
No, not do that again. This will be one of the last times that we're going to be able to use peekaboo. Like, see, the snap camera is going away. And I'm very, very...
Early afternoon.
I mean,
Why? Why have you done this? Also, Rugmat, what kind of idea did you get? No! Why have you done this? You're not supposed to watch this anymore.
we've gone
Central
too deep.
Pennsylvania. I live at 308 Nagoya RO Lane. Nice try, bad cop.
No, it's like 8 levels.
I know what level that is. This is the idea. Oh no, did you just clip this? Did you just clip that? Congratulations, Rugmat. But you see, now I moved the clip to cover my camera. So we can't get any deeper than 9 levels. It's just not possible anymore. Unfortunately. You can DM me on Discord if you want. I won't say no.
Ace.
Oh! 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 Haha! Console logging. Oh no. Oh, 359. Nice. Thank you, Flyboy. Perfect. Absolutely.
Bit tricky. I have to try and get only some of my voice. Like this? That's not bad. Oh. That's not too bad. Like this? Maybe take out the lower ones. And this is pretty cute. Yeah? Okay! Very good!
Chat, what have you done? Did you enhance the stream? We are back from break, and if you didn't know that, because clips are playing during the break, then the following audio cue should bring you back to the live stream. Ayo! Welcome back, everybody. So, I created a website in SQL. But if this website is meant to be about right joins, then we should definitely build a website about right joins. Don't you think, chat? I only remember that my VPN is on when I see an ad on Twitch because that doesn't exist in my country. Or Lizzie, you don't get ads at all? You don't get ads in your country? Like, you just don't get ads? That's really cool. Also, Fubar. So, am I using Bun? No, I am using pure SQL. I'm using the pure SQL, and I'm using the SQL page framework to generate a website using SQL. What country is that? No ad country, so I can VPN to it. No, I just see the streamer taking breaks or talking to the few that are there. Interesting. Because there's no ad fill. It's like no one books ads. Heyo! Welcome back, everybody.
Wow.
Thank you, Rugmat, for clipping that, as usual. Do you think I should make a compilation of all of the audio cues? Kosovo. Do you think I should make a compilation of all of the audio cues? If someone can find all of the audio cues in all of my VODs and send me the timestamps, I will gladly make a audio cue compilation. I was actually wondering which sounds I've done already. Anyway, so here's my website, but I'm curious whether GitHub Pages will host it because it's in SQL. So I'm not sure. I could think of making a VPN service for people. That's a great plan. Oh, like people VPN to your VPN service so that they don't get ads. That's interesting. I still wonder why it is that you don't have ads. Yeah, why Kosovo doesn't get ads. There must be a reason for it. You know? Wait, I have to ask this. I have to ask this real easy. So, you are based in Kosovo, and when you go to Twitch from Kosovo, you never get ads. Like, you're just not shown any ads. When ads would be playing for other people, you're not shown any ads. That has to do with ad fill rates. Never. That's very impressive. YouTube either? Really? That must be some kind of digital law or something, no? Like there must be some reason why you don't see any ads ever? That's incredible. I can't imagine that now. Seeing no ads? Anyway, you may have noticed also, I haven't talked about this at all. In the chat is a link, Take Better Decisions. I am hosting a live learning cohort in October, November, where I won't be streaming, because I'll be teaching I'll be teaching you, hopefully, how to take better decisions. So if you are interested in that, then go have a look at the page linked in the announcement. And of course, do let me know if price is an issue for you. I have a purchasing power parity pricing. So if you are booking from a country other than, let's say, one of the main countries in Europe, then I will adjust the price for you, scaled to the purchasing power of the country that you are in, because I want it to be as accessible as possible. So no ads on TV or radio or on the side of buildings, roads, bus stops. Okay, so there are ads on other places, just streaming services like YouTube and Twitch don't have any. That's fascinating. I need to look into that. So, our SQL website. Let's test things out by changing some configuration stuff. SQL page documentation examples. Postgres. Corporate conundrum. Oh, these are full examples. Community. Source code. SQL page is written in Rust. Very interesting. Don't look into that, else they'll be like, hey, we should show ads here. No. I'm sure the 11 people who are currently here are going to tip the scale. Exactly, Ginny. I'm sure Twitch cares a lot about the 11 people who are currently listening to this discussion. Is SQL page for you? Yes, it is. We've already established that. SQL page. Okay, so documentation. I'm confused because I don't see where the JSON. Wait, you can place handlebars files in a folder called SQL page templates at the root of your server. Okay. But that means I would need to edit the homebrew install, because that's where the server is. I think. Yeah, I'm not going to do that. I am confused as to where chat, where is... Ooh, nice form. Best way to paginate. Getting started. Supabase. That's cool. Password reset. How to tweak. Site auto refresh. Modify database URL. SQL file inclusion. I want to... understand how to change the JSON. Replace table name inquiry with get parameter using lists. Okay, well, I guess we're gonna have to stick to normal stuff. So what components should we use? These are all the components we have available. Alert, authentication, card, chart, cookie. What's interesting is you can't really mock up the website using nothing. Like you have to say what component it is. You can't just not use anything. So like, for example, index.sql. If I want a header here, then I would have to include a header. So if I say this is the header. Oh, sorry, SQL comments. So, header, select something as component. What is the header component? HTTP header? No. Hero? Hero is probably appropriate. Hero as component. The hero has description, image, link, title. Okay. Oh, Rugmat. Are you really gonna make me do this? This is absolute punishment. Okay. Absolute punishment. So I will be doing this. That or insert one right join. Okay. I'll compromise. I will put on the silly hat. I will put on the silly hat, and I will also attempt to use a right join. But I'll refund you the hands-on. So, select hero as component. This website is devoted to my love for right joins. As title. We are sorry, but an error occurred. Oh, crap. Uh-oh. SQL parser. Expected a SQL statement. Found... What? What's happening here? Oh, no. Oh, I'm missing a comma. Sorry, I'm missing a comma. Yes! There we go. Okay. I don't need... The semicolon is optional. It's just for sanity. We We don't need it though. It runs just fine without semicolons. So hold on a second. Okay. This is really forcing me to think about things differently. This is kind of messing with my brain because I don't know how to build a website from top to bottom. It's a bit weird. It's a bit weird. What other options do we have in the header? In the hero. Description. Right join for the win. Maybe put this as description instead? I think that could work. I will say though, chat, I will say, there's something to be said for not having to worry about CSS. Literally at all. There's something to be said for that. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but there is something to be said for this. It just works, you know? It's kind of interesting. How did they get this? How did they get this in the index? Is that an index? Data grid, list, map, redirect. Redirects the user to another page. Steps guide user through multi-stage processes. Tabs. Ah, tabs. Okay. Nav bar. Or top nav, let's call it. Select. So weird. Select tab as component. And then we do, wait a second. Center. Center false? How do I do this? Oh yeah, false as center. Miniharu! Welcome in. Thank you very much for the follow. I hope you're enjoying me building a website in SQL. Because this is so ridiculous. I'm surprised not more people are here. I will say that. I do think it's a bit surprising. But it's Monday, so you know. Mondays are a bit of a crapshoot, as they say. You roll the dice and you just have to kind of see what happens. Row level parameters. Weren't there more people here before the SQL website? Probably. Color of the tab. Ooh, preview.tabler.io for a list of colors. Ooh, we have colors available. Oh, okay. What? How do I... Wait, how do I choose these colors? What are they called? PU? These are all BL. I'm confused. How do you denote these colors, chat? How are you supposed to call these? Hold on a second. PU. As color. Oh wait, I need to specify other stuff. Row level parameters. Oh, you need to insert rows for the data. Dark as color? Wait, what? Tab as component, 1 as center. Okay. Select hero as title, link. Oh, wait. So it knows. Have a great interview, Aaron. I won't say good luck because you don't need any, because you're amazing just the way you are. Yeah, definitely hoping that you're done with fun employment. It will be great to have you back more around. Hold on a second. So first, if I do first tab as title, I don't need colors here. First as title, ooh, they have icons too. Home, homie, home as icon. I need to check the icon list too. Home as icon, and then what the? The hero component is a full width banner with a title and description. Okay. Oh. Okay, it's sequential. Nathnold, how do you make a website in SQL? Well, you go to SQL page framework. You go to the SQL page framework, sql.ophir.dev, and you install, or you can run the website in the cloud as well. They have a cloud version. And then you write SQL in order to build your website. Like I'm doing right now. So we have icons available as well, which is pretty cool. So I'm gonna have to take this to the where was that? Hero redirect. Redirect component. No, I didn't want that. Where was the tab again? What about the CSS? Haha, I asked the same question. So actually the CSS is entirely pre-built. So when you write this in SQL, the CSS is basically given for you already. There's a few things you can customize, but most of it is already pre-configured. Which, let's be honest, is not necessarily a bad thing. It's just the way it is, you know? Doesn't make it bad, just makes it different. So it's not like a website at all. I don't know about that. I mean, it's still a website. This is a website. I just didn't write the CSS myself. Still a website. Don't you think, chat? Is this a website? 1, 0 in chat. 1, it's a website. 0, it's not. Quick poll. It's a website. Will you be doing backend? So I don't know how to host it yet. We will cross that bridge when we come to it. But this is a website. It has HTML, it has HTML. It has valid HTML. So it's a website. CSS is technically not required for a website. Pure HTML is just a website, in theory. How do you add a form? So they have a form component with input fields. They even have examples. And then you can insert into your database from the form, and then you can redirect the user afterwards, which is quite interesting. Thanks, Rugmat, for your vote of confidence. I mean, here, look, I'll show you. Here's an example form. What's really interesting about this is I can literally copy paste someone else's website code into whatever, and I have a form. Like, that's kind of nuts for me. When have you ever been able to copy paste code and use it without changing it at all? I didn't even change a single letter in that. Is it online? No. It's localhost. It's running on a web server. The web server is not accessible via your internet. I meant it more like if you cannot customize all the code, it's not the same as making it through a back-end language. That's true. Absolutely. In theory, I think you can edit the CSS. But wow, that just doxed my email. That's cool. Yeah, in theory you can edit the CSS, but you would do that through Homebrew or something, I guess. Because I've installed it on Homebrew. I'm not sure, actually, in this case. You can edit the CSS. I know that it's possible to edit the CSS. It's just not something I want to do. I want to find out what icons we have available. How do I find this? Icon. Components. Icon. Where do I see icons? How would I find that? SQL page icons. Tabler icons. Here we go. Tabler icons. Tabler handles the styling, and Tabler icons. Over 4,650 pixel perfect icons. So if I say the name of an icon, then I get it? 24 hours. No way, that can't be. 24 hours. What? You can just select any icon from this site. Arrow loop right. Hold on, no. Take a different one. Bulb, for example. I can just put in any icon name, and it takes it? That's freaking cool, chat. How awesome is this? That's way easier than a normal website. Where you have to download the SVG and put the SVG in your repo and then reference it properly and then update the sizing, and this is so much cooler. Hi, Rick. Welcome in. Bro never used Font Awesome. No, I have never used Font Awesome. Is it showing that I'm not a real developer? Top level parameters are properties of these components. Row level parameters constitute the data that you want to display in the components. Okay, I understand now. So if I have home, it will link to home. I need to link it. I need to link it. Tab. Tab. Top level parameter, center. I want it to be centered, yes. Font awesome. I class, FA solid, FA shield halved. Really? It gives you a shield icon. That's cool, but you had to write a ton of words there with classes. This was literally just one word. But pedantics, I see the point. I've never used font awesome before. That's cool. I should probably use that. Row level parameters. So we have title, active, color, description, icon, link. By default, the link refers to the current page with a tab parameter set to the link. Okay. How can I link something to the other page? If I do select home as title, bulb as icon, and then I say index.sql as link. Then I click it. It takes us to the index. So now we need a second page. Well, that depends on how you set it up. Front awesome has it set up so you can click to copy and then paste anywhere. Oh. Yes, my SQL transformer is doing all the CSS work. Exactly. There are two fundamental ways to do icons, either through singular files per icons or through collection formats, like a font or image containing many icons. So font awesome is a collection format, effectively. Do we have 1,199 followers? That means the next follow will be 1,200. You could be special. You could be the 1,200th follower. Do you want to be that person? I'm sure one of you watching right now is not following. You could be the 1,200th follower. But do you really want to reset your follow age? That's the question. You said this is using React. No, it uses Rust. I think it's Rust in the background. I haven't looked into it in detail. Component, hero component, tab component as link, card component. Oh, that's the links on this page. Okay. Okay. So cool, great. So I just have to think of what structures do I want. Well, I guess that makes sense. But I also want to have. Oops. I also want to have another tab. This is going to be Y. And then Y right join. What icon should we use? What icon should we use for right join? Maybe an arrow? Maybe an arrow of some kind. No, I know. A garbage can. Perfect. Trash as icon. Maybe an error. I'm gonna use a trash. Use trash. Then I need to have right y right join .sql as a page. Cool. Okay, so it will redirect to that page. So if I make a new file called y Why write join dot SQL? Perfect. How are you doing, Rick? It's lovely to see you again. The tabular icons is pretty cool. You can copy and paste the SVG code as well. Nice. That's nice. Okay, someone has to explain to me how to get the colors working, because I don't understand the color notation. So they say on this website that these colors are supported. If I click it, nothing happens. It's nothing. It's just a table of colors. So if I go here, what has a color option? Do these have color as an option? Yes, color of the tab. So color, I could add it here. I could say, what was this one? PU or BL or something. BL as color. Doesn't change anything. They're probably prefixes. Isn't that how it was structured? I need to find an example where they use color. Dark as color. I don't know, chat. Oops, I closed the thing. Let's find another example. Is that the only example? User as icon, dark as color. Ah, wait, we also have to say that this one is active. Dark as color. Light as color? I'm so confused about this. Okay, let's try with a hex code. FFEE00. Oh! Wait, so you... Oh, I see. I see what it is. I understand now. Okay, that's very confusing. Basically... Yeah, basically... FFE00 should be yellow. That's exactly correct. If I put this into Google, this would be yellow. The reason it's not yellow is because FFEE00 isn't a supported color. It's computed it as something in this table. And I don't understand why. What if I put without the thing? It's still blue. Can I link it? Yeah, I can link this. Oh yeah, wait, let's inspect. It is a website after all. A-class navlink active text FF. Interesting. Color. var tabular primary. Okay, so it got a link color. And the FFEE00 was put as a class for text. Oh, is there no house icon? Ah, here. Home-2. Scroll extra colors. Okay, so if I click yellow, if I look at yellow, so those are the supported ones. Those are the supported colors, not these. At the top it has primary, secondary, success, warning, danger, info, dark, light. Okay, so if I do primary, yellow? No, it'll take primary. So if I do yellow as color, it works. Huh? It was just yellow. How weird. Oh yeah, it is. Look. It is yellow. Okay, wait. So how does it use... Okay, these are the colors I can use. Fine. I'm just gonna keep this off screen so I can have it. Okay. So... Yeah, here is fine. Okay. Yeah, very few drops today, chat. I'm very surprised.
Why?
Still struggling to understand why you wouldn't just use hex.
Why?
Show me what you got.
Wow. Show me what you got.
It's more work to wrap specific colors. Probably. Okay, so the idea is here, if we have a top nav, and then we have in a right join, if we have this page, then we take this one as active and push it down here. So if we link to this page, haha! But this is still yellow. It should be inactive. 0 as active. I think I need the terminal just to see if it's running. SQL page. Address already in use. Oh no. Ah, it's here. Okay. Error trying to get SQL file. You need to display the log, not rerun. Yeah, I got that far. Well, nobody hit in the drop game. Very surprising. I don't know why this is still... Wait. So you have to style it. So if I don't say a color... Yeah! Okay. We got it. We got it. I have to remove the color choice. Okay, so color theme-wise, what are we thinking? I'm thinking maybe pink could be nice. There we go. This website is devoted to my love for right join. Z. World's too big for the pool. Yes. The Nathnold. Very nice landing. 97.51. That is very close to 100. So this website is satire, Rick. This website is satire. What should the next component be? So this is home. I should have a kind of short explainer. Should that be a list? Should it be a list? Maybe it could be... What other components do we have? Maybe a card. Card with text in it. That could work. Here we go. So card components have... Ooh, they have lots of stuff. Title, active, color, description, description MD. Ooh, it supports Markdown. For me, the next export destination will be my bed. Have a great evening, Rick. Thank you for stopping by, as usual. I appreciate it. This is cool. A footer. Okay. Oh no, these are all small as's. Interesting. So you kind of, it's kind of backwards from a normal website design, because you would typically want to understand what content you have first, and then think about how it should be structured and look how it should look. Don't write select that way, please, Nathnold. That really, that bothers me so much. It bothers me way more than it should. Let's put it that way. Oh, you can have icons too. So you can have icon. You can have lock as icon. That's cool. Oh, and they display like this. Oh, wait. So which component did they use for these things? Which components are these? I want those. This is a really nice website. We can actually go look at the documentation for it. In GitHub. Come on. Where is the GitHub? Code. SQL page. Charts. Ooh, JavaScript? What? Oh my gosh. That's cool. Very interesting. SQL page. Where are the sequels? Examples. Where is... SQL page migrations? Ah, here we go. Official site, blog, index, here we go. Shell as component. Easy, beautiful, fast. component. They're just components. But how... Why are my icons off to the side? Ah, wait, these are heroes. Ah, these are heroes, not... Okay, hold on. Not cards. That's why. Wait, huh? No. That's the hero. T. Drayson! 26 months. I'm not crying, you're crying. 26 months. We've been through a lot together, Maddie. You know what, T. Drayson? You're right. 26 months. That is more than 2 years. That is a little more than 2 years. A lot has happened in that time. A lot has happened. You're right, TD. In honor of that, would you like to have your name on the mask of subscription? Again? How do you feel about it? Where and with what color, if you choose to do so? Thank you very much, TD, for supporting me. I appreciate that very much. Bottom lip in pink. Lovely. Very, very classic TD. Let's put it that way. Classic TD. Here we go. Bottom lip. T. Drayson. How have you been doing, TD? I hope you are doing well. It's very nice to see you as always. There you go, TD. Your name is on my lips. Hello? I've been alright getting through life, you know? Absolutely. Absolutely. It is very interesting times we live in. Let's put it that way. Murd. Oh, how do I make this name? MRD4N. Oh, wait. Mr. Danton? Is that correct? Welcome to chat. What am I making? Well, what have I made? I have made a website written entirely in SQL. Since chat chooses, can we do write joins on Free Code Camp? No. But I have built a website about write joins. I don't have a write join yet, but maybe we will have a write join. You would need to use a from to get a write join. So I'm not sure how we would do that yet. But let's see if we can do it. Maybe we can do it with... Maybe we can do it with this. So, Mr. Danton, basically, I am using a framework called SQL Page. You can actually take a look at that here if you like. This is a framework. It's built in Rust, actually, as we saw. And basically what it allows you to do is write SQL statements. And it turns those SQL statements, so using a series of components, it turns those SQL statements into a website. There you go, TD. Your name is on my lips. I knew someone would clip it. You know, Mr. Danton, you could be the 1,200th follower on my Twitch channel, because we are right now at 1,199 followers. So if you wanted to be, you could be the 1,200th person. Not saying that you have to, of course. But there you go. Congratulations, Mr. Danton, for being 1,200.
Wow.
We've got ads coming up again. You're honored. I am also honored that you would choose to follow my stream, of course. We'll get back to this crazy insanity in just a few minutes. We're going to take a short ad break to run ads. I don't want you to miss any of the content. But you get to see, maybe you get to see bunnies.
For insisting on Intel Inside.
Maybe you get to see some bunnies, and you definitely get to see some clips of me. Stuff that's happened on the stream in the past while I am away from the stream and while ads are playing. So, see you in just a few short minutes, chat. I promise it won't be too long. Not jumping in the pool, I promise. To find...
I'm so excited. Next week I'm going to dig up the time capsule I buried as a kid. I can't wait to see how big my puppy got.
Oh no, Karen. Oh no. Oh, Karen. That's not that's not how that works. Big oof. Big oof. Is this the real life? Is this just fantasy? Caught in a landslide? No, escape from reality. Open your eyes, look up to the skies and see I'm just a poor boy. I need no sympathy because I'm easy come, easy go. Little high, little low. Anyway, the wind blows doesn't really matter to me. To me. Right join is the best join. Thank you for the raid. I appreciate it. Okay. Well. So we know that we shouldn't mess with shaders. Yeah, please refresh things. Maybe we shouldn't mess with shaders while live in OBS. Yikes. Well, we reset the uptime and the stats, that's for sure. Taking a picture is really like a screenshot, right? The question is, where would it end up? That's the real question. Because I would love them to be posted somewhere. 240 degrees. Oh, I went the wrong way. I went the wrong way. I'm sorry, Jay Walter. I went the wrong way on that one. But it is a time warp. So this is kind of interesting. So the man who has not been named was selected from within the ranks of the force. So he was already a police officer. When it's convenient, when it's not, I still live at home. Can you do that one more time?
No, not doing that again. This will be one of the last times that we're going to be able to use peekaboo. Like, see, the snap camera is going away. And I'm very, very...
Is literally garbage. Okay? Like, yeah, well, if you wanted to, like, do things properly, then you should have done your homework. Because obviously none of you have done your homework. It's obvious from the questions you were asking. A sound that will only play on track 6. I'm very sorry for your ears because actually it might be very loud.
I've got balls of steel.
Hello. Welcome back, everyone. Your audio cue to let you know that we have returned after break. This time is... Did someone say right join is the best join? No one here would have said that. I can promise you. Fractal, hello, and welcome back. Very good to see you again, Fractal. How are you doing, Fractal? I think it's been a while that we've spoken. You swear you just heard it. Can't be. What's the advantage of using SQL queries to make a website? Mr. Danton, there are no advantages. I'll be very upfront with you. This entire stream today is basically a meme. It is just a meme. There is really no point to doing this other than to know that it's possible. No, wait, that's not true, Mr. Danton. That's not true. There is one particular use case that I think applies to this. If you are a data analyst, you are someone that is proficient in SQL, and you require a very, very ultra simple website. You do not know HTML, you do not know CSS. Then this is a great way to not have to worry about CSS and layouts. You can just more or less copy paste from the examples and change a few things, and you could very quickly have a website. But as soon as you want to change stuff, as soon as you want to make it yours, as soon as you want to kind of, I don't know, if I want to make this dark mode, how would I do this? I don't even know. How would I even change this into dark mode? I don't think it's even possible. I don't think it's even possible because everything is done, everything is pre-configured. But yeah, that's... Do you have a developer experience, Mr. Danton? Are you a developer? Do you write code? Makes you a developer, by the way. Work is I assume the is negative, Fractal. Judging by caps. You'd probably just use Quarto. Quarto? I've never heard of that. Quarto. Oh, combine Jupyter and... okay. I see. Okay. That's cool. I think it's kind of like Shiny for R. Does that make sense? Yeah. So this is Quarto for SQL, in a way. Is like chaos, both good and bad. Okay. So these are just titles with icons. Cool. Easy, beautiful, fast. You're into C++. Very interesting. I don't know any C++. So the title should be satire as title. As description, the description will be of course this website, of course this is satire, as no sane person would voluntarily use a right join. What should the icon be for satire? Smile? Mood, smile, beam. Mood, smile, beam as icon. Color. Maybe indigo. Cheshire cat. I don't think that exists. No. Cheshire. No, they don't have it. Cheshire cat. Cheshire cat? I think that works. It's kind of funny. Where is the built with SQL page thing? Oh, that automatically comes up in the footer, doesn't it? Yeah. Okay. I just want to say one thing. I had like one of those moments before. I had one of those moments where I am very appreciative of my life and you. Because my life includes you, chat. But I had one of those moments before on break where I self-reflected a little bit and I realized that I'm able to have so much fun and I'm able to do things that are really interesting and I'm able to do all of these things live. I'm able to talk to the internet and just like accept that that's a normal thing. And I just somehow today, I just kind of got in that moment of how cool that is, you know? And how cool it is that I'm able to do that. So, yeah, I just wanted to tell you that. Like it's very unreal. It feels a little bit unreal sometimes that that's possible. That I can be sitting in my office, in my apartment, and be talking to the world. And there are people all over the world right now watching and listening to what I'm saying. It's kind of crazy. It's just... it's fascinating. It really is. And I'm super appreciative. So thank you for being here. Thank you for being here. In whatever way that is. If you're just lurking, you turn the computer on and you walk away and you go make dinner or whatever. Or you are writing in chat, or you tell people about the stream, like whatever you do, I appreciate it. I think it's really cool. So anyway, enough Solby stuff. Right joins. Satire. Of course, this is satire, blah, blah, blah as icon, blah, blah, blah as color. Built live as title. The page... oh, this is actually a different one. Wait, let me move this one down. This is a good one. For there. That's a good one to have down there. Indigo. Select built live as title. 100% SQL. Okay, so built live. That's Markdown. I don't need Markdown. Built live as title. The description is going to be what you're currently reading. Oh wait, how do you escape single quotes? Uh-oh. How do we escape single quotes? I do not know. Maybe backtick? How do you escape a single quote? Quotation? There's nothing in there. SQL page, single quotes. How do I escape a triple quote Python string. Hmm. Try double quote instead. Oh, you're You're saying wrap this in double quotes. Yeah, that's probably the solution. Yes. Use double quotes instead. What you're currently reading was written entirely. No, was programmed by Maddie while live streaming on Twitch and YouTube. What's a good symbol for live? What's a good symbol for live? A red circle. I can't make the circle red, though. That's the thing. An ad circle? I could use I could use the ad circle. 'Cause it's advertising. That's actually, with the red, that looks really funny. Thank you, Lizzie, for commenting on YouTube as well. I'm gonna choose orange as a color, though. Yes, we definitely have to link. So these are titles. These are titles, so they have... these are just titles. Text. Paragraph of text. Contents? No. Wait, these aren't even components. I'm assuming link. Hold on. Let's try link. Let's try a link then. Maddie to Maddie, no, twitch.tv. Maddie _ 2 shoes as link. Also, these need to be as with big A S. Sorry, I'm really obsessive about formatting in SQL. It's not healthy. Oh yeah, it does link. It links the title. Okay, can I link the individual texts? Yes, I can. Wait, I can. If I use Markdown... If I use Markdown, then I can say Twitch. Is it the other way around? I forget. It's like this. And then the link. Yes, it is. Twitch.tv/Maddie2shoes. Then I don't need to link this whole thing. What's my YouTube link? Do I even have a YouTube link? Probably. Yeah. Stream Elements, where'd you go? Thanks, Rayleezy. I don't know why, but that just didn't work. That works. That works. Look at this thumbnail. It's a vertical thumbnail. Wait, can I make this vertical? 1 second. Oh, YouTube doesn't like this. YouTube doesn't like this. It doesn't load a mobile layout. That's so weird. Anyway, the thumbnail the thumbnail doesn't work so well. YouTube kind of looks sorry here, to be honest, with its verticality. Yeah, I mean, the main thing, right? The main thing to remember is that doing something in vertical, it can't, I know I can't show the whole thing, but like, this is the most important. It's more important than the code. And yes, there's probably a way that I could like split the screen in half and then stack it on the other top or something and not show my camera or something like that. Or like stack both screens on top of each other and then have my camera over the bottom or something. I don't know. But the point is that I don't really care so much if people watch me on YouTube. Like, having the stream open on YouTube is great because it adds to my watch time. But long term, once I hit the watch time goal that I need to, I'm probably not going to stream there anymore. It's just to hit that target. But I'm also planning a pretty large YouTube video, and I'm hoping it does really well. My past experience has shown me that I should be very wary, but yeah, I'm hoping it really does well. I've been spending a lot of time working on it, so yeah, that's why I haven't released a YouTube video in a very long time. So, like a produced one. My last produced one, I think, was in May. It's been a long time. It's a very long time. When was my last one? Wait, this is not the easiest way to do this. My last one was in 2 months ago. Yeah. So I'm hoping that the YouTube video I have planned is impressive enough. So it's going to be a data video. It's not going to be a Twitch related thing. I could make another Twitch one. I have a cool idea for that, but I want to do another data video. So that's what I've been doing. Anyway, so links work. That's awesome. 100% SQL. What kind of icon could we use? Oh, do you have breaks? Are there like spacings? Could we have like spacers? Data grid. What if you make an empty title? Oh, it inserts the whole component. Okay. How do I get a spacer? I want a little bit of space. I don't think it's possible. It's just in the mobile layout. I can't really choose that. Yeah, like BR, like a BR. In between the built live and because these are flush. I don't really like that they're flush. But I don't think it's possible. Personalize the shell. Oh! Chat, we missed something. You can... Oh no. You can give it an entire CSS file to load. How did we miss this? Oh no. Oh, how did we miss this? Select shell. Oh no. Shell as component. And then I want to do something as CSS. Style.css. Font, icon, JavaScript, image, title of the page. That's really cool. Where is that? Title. Theme! Dark! Yes! I don't even need the CSS anymore. We're doing it, chat. Dark as theme, and then right join FTW as title. Yes! Dark mode! Oh my gosh. That's perfect. That doesn't work, Rugmat. You can't change my theme. That's not how it works. Nope. Can't do that.
Garbage.
You cannot change my theme. Yeah, I think I'm going to have very decent watch time from this now. That's really cool. Thank you very much. So, does that mean on Thursday you would all be okay with me doing the short stuff on Thursday? Is that the implication? Interesting, there's no ambient mode in YouTube streams. What is ambient mode? No, because I won't be here to watch. Oh, I'm sorry, Jenny. Okay. We will fit everything to your schedule. Okay? Open a random YouTube video and see around the video box. Aha, because it's in vertical format. I think it doesn't do that. Okay. 100% SQL. The page, the entire website you are looking at is written in SQL. Using predefined SQL, using predefined components from the SQL page framework. Is it a framework? I guess it's a framework, right? What should be... Okay, this should be lime as color. And actually, the purple would fit better here for live. And then we could take the orange for here. I don't like that icon though. Very, very responsive. It is very responsive, yeah. Here's the thing though. I don't like that icon. Let's pick a different icon. What's a good icon for SQL? Code? Isn't there like code dots? Code minus? code dots. Code, here we go. Dolphin? No, I don't. No. Why? Why would I use a dolphin icon for that? That makes no sense. Oh, for MySQL, no. If anything, Postgres. Anyway, okay. So this is good. So what we could do is we can actually call this universal layout. So we could say universal layout, and we could say, hold on, start universal layout, and then top nav, and then the header, and then end universal layout. And then basically you can take this entire thing and put it into here. Hi, Kirsty. Thank you for joining us on YouTube. What's up? So, shell, dark join, blah, blah, blah. Top nav. One is center. So this one is not active here. We already did this. Hold on. So this is not active, but it said it's by default. It's not. So we should be able to do one as active. Love your content. Thank you, Kirsty. I appreciate that. You can also come and watch me on Twitch. We have like more interactive stuff there if you want that. Like memes and channel point redemptions and all kinds of cool jazz. Okay, so we've got why right join? Ooh, we have to deselect the home color pink. Yeah, like garbage, exactly. Yeah, like chat makes me smaller. Dehanced. You subscribe to me, that's fantastic, Kirsty. Where are you joining from today? I'm based in Switzerland, so it's 11:30 in the evening for me. Sad YouTube boys don't see this. That's funny. Why right join? It's a very good question, isn't it? Okay, so this navigation works perfectly. You'll check it out. Fantastic. Yeah, if you want to come over, here, twitch.tv/Maddie_2shoes. So 100%, 100%, 100% SQL. The entire website you are looking at is written in SQL using predefined components from the SQL page framework. Actually, this looks great. Right join for the win. This is weird though, this thing. Is that the menu? Where's that coming from? Ah, I don't need that. I thought that was the page title. Oh, you're 1 hour behind. That's cool. That limits the amount of countries you can be in. Let's see if we can guess. Somewhere in the UK is very probable. UTC plus. UTC plus 2 is me. So you are UTC plus 1. You could be in any of these places. Hey, TG. Just about to go to bed, saw you live, wanted to pass by and say hi. Thank you, TG. Thank you for stopping by. I've been hard lurking your stream the past few days. Where is Kirsty from? maybe from Equatorial Guinea.
Why?
But probably UK. Oh, UK is correct. Woo! Okay, so these are countries, and then these are cities. The big black label ones are countries. By the way, time.is literally the best time zone site on the planet. Have a wonderful evening, TG, and we will see you very soon in the stream. Yeah, so if you go to like Nigeria, then you can see all the different cities in Nigeria. Portugal, Lisbon, and Porto. Western Sahara apparently doesn't have any cities in it. It's 1 hour behind us in the Western Sahara. Which is great, because I love this stuff, because they have all the stuff in here, like the INA time zone identifier, when UTC changed for them, whether they observe time zone differences or not, time zone news, like they have updates about time zone changes and then the dates of when they change, and just everything about this site is perfect. And then you have the time difference from that location relative to other locations. It's just so perfect. But my favorite thing on this site is time here and there. So if I say, oh, I'm wondering, I'm trying to do a thing in Tokyo on 4 o'clock on the 21st of September, and I want to see what that would be in New York. And then I go like this, select New York and compare time. And it shows me both of them next to each other, and it's just perfect. I love it. Your clock is 0.8 seconds behind. How do you know so much? What? I don't know that much. I do not know that much. But thank you for spamming all of the reactions on YouTube. I really wish Twitch had those. I don't really know that much. I know a little about a lot of things, I think someone once said. What do you do for... Are you a student, Kirsty? Do you study something? Are you working? I'm just finishing my website here. So why right join? Well... I don't actually know why. What kind of thing should we use? What layout should we use for this? Components. Dynamic. let's use alert. Let's use alerts. Let's use alerts for this. A 2-column layout, only populating the right side. I'm gonna try and do a right join to render this. I'm just gonna say that now. So a 2-column layout. I can do a table. Ah, you're a student. Lovely. That's very cool. What are you studying? I'm also a student. I am a student of the internet. So if we do select table as component, and then we do key 1 as ID, and then we do oh, I know how to do this. Wait, what if I do a width? What if I use a CTE? What if I use a CTE? This is so cursed. This is so cursed, chat. Next frame as Harvard student. Math. Oh my gosh, math. Math is so hard. Math is incredibly difficult. I find math really challenging. I'll be honest with you, Kirsty. I find math really, really challenging. And, you know, not because of the formula, not because of, like, the notations or anything like that. But the most difficult thing with math is it's so abstract. It's so hard to imagine that that is the basis of our reality, you know? Like 2 + 2 = 4 has so many interesting implications if that weren't true. So it's weird for me to think about how if that wasn't true, things would break, including my stream. But yeah, it's very abstract. It's very hard to think. Like, I cannot see anywhere that 2 = 2. You know what I mean? Like, if I go out and pick flowers, sorry, I'm just gonna turn this into a whole thing. If I go out and pick flowers, okay, and I pick flower petals, I can't really work out that 2 + 2 = 4. Like, I just have to kind of trust that someone somewhere made it so that 2 + 2 = 4. You have someone in your class just like me. I feel very sorry for you. I'm so sorry for you already. One day I will find those 9,573,492 bananas that fit into that one wheelbarrow from my math class. Yeah, I made horrible mistakes in math. I made really, really bad mistakes in math. But I actually think I should take a statistics class to be a bit more knowledgeable about those things. Anyway, next frame. So if I do table as component, we're basically just going to check if we can use a join. And then key 1 as ID. Okay. And then I do final frame as... Oh yeah, why am I doing... Why is my notation all off? It's weird. Why did I write it that way, chat? How strange. Okay. So final frame, select. I don't think this is gonna work, but we can try it. Select star from frame. Yeah. YouTube fooled me. I thought I was having a nice back and forth on the emotes thing. It was showing the same emote I pressed once more without the bubble. I am sad. I have to go. When will your next stream be? My next stream will be on Thursday at 9 p.m. my time, which should be 8 p.m. for you. We will be doing more data-related things. And otherwise on Friday as well. Same time. Thank you very much for joining, Kirsty. Expected select values or a subquery in the query body. Hold on a second. So we cannot join that way. What if we do like this? From, and then open up a bracket, and then have a select in there. What about that? That works! So it's all nested. I don't know how to do this though. This isn't possible. It is not possible to write a right join. But I'm going to look it up anyway. SQL page join. I don't think it's possible to do that. I think you actually have to retrieve data from the database. Join. Yeah. If you learn what is actually being given in the component, I'm pretty sure you can add extra HTML. Yeah, if I wanted to do that, but that would defeat the purpose of using something given, I think. Ah, here, there's a footer component here. Nice. Hold on a second. Just 1 second. Yikes. That's not good. Okay. Well, yeah, you could join two components. Yeah, sure. This didn't do what I wanted it to do. Copyright Maddie 2 shoes. Perfect. Okay. I'm just gonna put a little copyright thing in the footer. Okay. And then add that to index. Okay, I can delete the style CSS. Can I delete SQL page JSON because I don't have anything in it? Yes. SQL page bin, delete. What about the database? Because there's nothing in it. Maybe just leave it for now because it's empty. What does SQLpage.db do anyway? I don't even know. I don't know what it does. That's the thing. Uh-oh. Oops, forgot a comma there. SQL parser. Error occurred. Uh-oh. Oh, whew, okay. Isn't it a use it later with forms/interactivity? I don't know what that means. I don't know what that means. Also, I feel like we need to change the music. Because, this is somehow too chill. You gotta make a form soon. Yes. Maybe on the right join page. Maybe on the right join page. Okay, so if we have two tables, how do tables work? Components. Table. Icon, markdown, search, sort, SQL page color, SQL page CSS class. The most basic table. The table of users with filtering and sorting. Ah, cool. That's cool. Okay. Perhaps that's where the custom DB stuff that aren't components go, like the users. Yeah, so you can read from a database as well, I believe. That's kind of the point. Okay, so table as component. And then thing is, how am I going to tell it to only display? I would have to make it actually explicitly empty. Okay. Oh, Ginny, you were saying, use the database stuff. I didn't understand that. Okay. Okay, so look. This table only has one column, but it's in the middle. Icon. Or have two tables next to each other. I don't think there's like a columns one. Data grid. Oh, that's really cool. I actually really like that layout. Okay. List. Steps. Oh, nice. You can really do a lot. You can really do a lot. It is really cool though, chat. You kind of have to admit, it is kind of nice. Like, an auto map. You know? You know? Like... It is actually, like, pretty awesome. How does it even do this? It's really nice. It's very fancy. Very, very fancy. Okay, so tables. So one table and then... Don't even need a Google key. Exactly, Roy Easy. Exactly. Why right join? Why right join? Let's use a... What's a good layout? List? Vertical list of items. Oh yeah, okay. This could work. This kind of layout, because you can put icons in front, which is nice. That's good. Okay. List as component. Reasons why not to use right join. And then, wait, I need to have a little text component first. Select text as component. Let me just try something. As title. Okay. The right join in SQL has a somewhat interesting and odd place. While no one questions, I think I need to word wrap. View word wrap. While no one questions the legitimacy of the inner or outer join, for whatever reason, the right join has never really been favored by analysts and architects alike. Memebox might have died. That could be the reason. Uh-huh. An error has occurred. Could not retrieve a valid token. But it is connected.
Garbage.
Oh, Roy Leasy, it's restricted. It's restricted. It's restricted to anybody who is anything except just user. That's the reason. You're one of the only people in the channel without a sub or VIP or any kind of badge, basically. That's the reason, Roy Leasy. That's the reason. Now I want to write here. Oh, it doesn't space it. Fallen Learns, hello. Yes, I am doing well, thank you. Welcome into the stream. It's great to have you here. Okay, the text component. Paragraph of text. Contents MD. Ah, that's top level. Row level. Ah, break. Nice. Boolean. One. Ooh, that's really cool. Hold on. As contents. So you can do one as break. Oh, this totally works. What? That's kind of cool. Why is it in square brackets? Why is it in square brackets? I don't get it. Neat, making a site using SQL. I have such a hard time with table joins. Do you also write SQL, Fallen? You have a badge. That's... For Lizzie, that's not... Okay, first of all, I can't access those badges in my tool. Fallen, you may... I don't know if you're an analyst type person, but yeah, if you do write a lot of SQL like me, then I became very interested. I became very interested in when I was sent this framework of being able to write SQL to render a web page. I was kind of interested and intrigued because it's so weird to do that, but it's also really nice in a way. I'm just struggling a little bit with the text component, which is very weird. Top level paragraph of text to display without any formatting. Okay, text header before the paragraph. Ah, here we go. Text as component. Ah, we need to make another select. That's why this is happening. I think that's the reason. No? Can you not have two? Why is it putting it in square brackets? I don't get it. I do not understand. Huh? Oh, because there was a comment? Seriously. Okay. I'm gonna snooze the ads because I don't want to take another ad break. I'm like the Encanto not special treatment. Text as component. The mystery of the right join as title. Clearly from that face you haven't watched it. No, I have not. The right join in SQL has a somewhat interesting and odd place. While no one questions the legitimacy of the inner or outer join, for whatever reason, the right join has never really been favored by analysts and architects alike. And then I can do one as break. Ah, I see. Okay. So I can add a break here. Oops. This, comma. Oh, here we go. While the left join sees itself used frequently as one of the most common go-to operators. It's not an operator. Functions. The literal opposite finds... the literal opposite is left to the side. Unused. The reasons for this could stem from the fact that most of our languages are written left to right, thus favoring the left join naturally. I can't believe we're writing an entire thing about this. We're going to call this text block. And then we're going to call this list item. List component. Alright, Roy Lazy, no worries. Reasons why not to use right join. Wait, I'm gonna put another thing here first. You know what? I don't even need to explain it. I don't even need to explain the reasons. Reasons why not to use right join. As title. It's not a left join. I don't need to link. Left has 4 letters, but right has 5. Thanks for the good vibes, Roy Leezy. So it's also shorter. The color is going to be cyan. Oh! I broke it. There we go. Cyan. No, this is actually good. Red. Red is good. 1 as active. Ah, stupid ads again. Snooze away. Go away. What icon do we want? Oh, the no entry one would be great. Where's the no entry one? What's it called? Deny? Ah, here, ban. Perfect. Ban. Ban is the icon. Fantastic. Perfect. If right join is the best join sent you here, that should tell you all you need to know. Can you use code blocks? It doesn't do anything. Okay. Wait, what about italics? Nope. Okay. Well, I think we did it, chat. I'm really curious whether this deploys on GitHub. I'm really curious, but let's try. Let's try. Why not? All right, so we have git add, git status, index, SQL page, DB, and Y right join. But there's nothing in the DB, so we don't need it. Ah, yeah, star star. Your LSP spyware still stands for downloads if you want to download. No, I'm good. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Git commit. First version of SQL website. What's it doing?
Why?
What's it doing? It's so good. Why would you not want a personal helper? What's happening here? What the? Oh, I forgot a quote. Never mind. Okay. All right. It is on the master branch. Main branch. Let's go over to the GitHubs. Right, join for the win. I only get one more snooze, so we only have 6 minutes to do this. Settings. Pages. Did I tell you that I'm back to see the last step? Yes, you did. Deploy from a branch. Okay. GitHub Pages is currently disabled. Select a source. Main. Root. Save. Blah, blah, blah. Your GitHub Pages site is currently being built from main branch. Okay. Where is Rugmat? I don't know. I hope that the site goes online, because that would be actually hilarious. I personally don't think it's going to build. I don't think it's going to build. Do we think it's gonna build? I don't think it's gonna build. It's too good to be true. Like a SQL engine, I don't think GitHub can figure it out. I doubt they have SQL pages. I also doubt it. SQL pages Netlify. Has anyone tried to deploy this on Netlify? Because that would actually be hilarious. Nope. SQL page. Awesome self-hosted. SQL only. Netlify alternative. Oh, this is their... Hey! What? Oh, that's just the default. It just rendered the README. Oh, it just rendered the README. Too good to be true. Too good to be true. I am going to see technical documentation. Blah blah blah. Configuration serverless. Docker build. Hosting SQL files directly inside the database. Life's too short to play it safe. I like CSS. I want to design websites, not write SQL. Are you human? Human beings hate CSS. Okay. Configuration.md. Configuring SQL page. Very interesting. I think that this has a huge amount of potential, more than we realized. My love for CSS is unmatched by anything other than JavaScript and Java. That's a very interesting take, Rayleezy. We have 2 minutes before ads start. I do not want ads to come. I do not want ads. Yeah, let's do this. Let's do it. Let's wrap up. thank you everyone for being with me today. I appreciate you all very much. I think it was interesting. I think the end result is pretty interesting. I think the website looks pretty good considering it's written in SQL. Thank you very much, T. Drayson, for the sub. Thank you, Mr. Danton. That was follower number 1200. Thank you to Miniharu, Free Funware, Donald, and Wet Owl, and EDX very much for your follows as well. We are going to go raid. If you're watching on YouTube, then we are going to raid on Twitch. The promise form never show up. Yeah, I didn't do it. I have work tomorrow, Rugmat. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to call it a night. But we're gonna go raid Alicia. Alicia had some unfortunately bad news, so I would like you to show a lot of love and support to Alicia. She is a fantastic tech streamer. I met her in person in Paris at TwitchCon this year. And Alicia is just so nice, really such a nice person. And I spent a lot of time in her stream, and I hope all of you enjoy yourselves there as well. And we will see each other on Thursday, hopefully, and if not, on Friday for the Data Cafe. Wish you all a wonderful evening, and see you next time.